Hey guys, look what I just got. Alright, so we got a bit of a parcel here. So this is a parcel from Artisan Supplies, Gameco Artisan Supplies. And this is going to be what the next few videos are going to be based around. So let's crack her open. There's actually two parcels. That one and a really long one. But yeah, I already know what this one is. Well, I know what both of them are, but oops, just open these up and show you guys what's inside. Hell yeah. Alright, so right on top we have some brand new tongs. So these are the tongs that I believe that you use for railroad spikes. They're massive. You also get quite a bit of height out of them too. What are they called? Bolt jaw tongs, I think. So these are some really big ones. These are a lot bigger than my other set. Very, very nice. They seem pretty damn sturdy as well. So these are 3/4 inch ones. Now, before I get on to the other two items, I'm going to open up this one and show you what we got in here. Okay, so the first item that we have is some 15 and 20 steel. So this is, I believe, 1.2 meters and 1.5 millimeters thick, I think, or maybe 2 millimeters thick or something like that. Anyway, nice long piece of this. This is going to be great. It's going to be perfect for some blacksmithing and making Damascus. And also on the subject of Damascus, the other item that we got is some steel cable. So this is a meter of steel cable. This particular steel cable is actually designed for making Damascus steel cable. Sorry, cable Damascus. So it's not galvanized, it's nothing like that. It is just oiled to make sure that they don't, so it doesn't rust during transit. Hey, that works. That works pretty good. Okay, now on to the other two items. One of them I'm not actually going to disclose just yet, but I'll show you what the other one is. Because, you know, we have a lot of stuff for making Damascus here, but I don't know whether or not we're going to be able to make it in the current forging situation. Oh, what's this? Oh, look. We have a regulator, and we have a little bayonet thing. I wonder what this connects to. Let's suppose we connect to this, a proper, legitimate forge burner. As you could probably guess, we are going to be making a brand new forge, and as I intended, this video will probably come up a day before the forge video comes out. But anyway, that's pretty well it. There is one more item, but I'm not going to say anything about it just yet because it's a bit of a special item and I don't want to give away too much, but it is also blacksmithing related. If you guys can, I would strongly recommend checking out Artisan Supplies. They have a lot of cool stuff on their website, and especially if you're based in Australia, it's really handy because a lot of the stuff that they do sell, you can't get anywhere else in Australia, or it's really difficult to find places that sell. So yeah, Gameco Artisan Supplies has all the blacksmithing, knife making needs, everything like that. It's awesome. But yeah, I think that pretty well does it for this little sneak peek into what's happening in the future. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.